Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can center text in your pages and databases on Notion. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your page or database on Notion. Let me go with this page here for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, first step guys, is enter your text you would like to center. So let me go with that title here for the sake of this tutorial. So unfortunately, there's no built-in feature to center or to align text to center. We will need to apply a simple trick here, guys. So what you want to do is simply copy your text and press Ctrl X to delete and to save it at the same time to copy it to your clipboard. So what you want to do after that is use the block equation feature. To access this, enter the command / after that type in equation, and you will see already the block equation command in these filtered results or suggestions. So select block equation, and after that here into that equation box, paste your copied text by pressing Ctrl V, just like that. That is going to center your text. Now you may need a little bit of customization here guys and editing. As you can see, there's no spacing between your words. So to add spacing between your words, guys, you will need to add this symbol to your word spaces. That symbol here that looks like a wave, that one here, let me just zoom in a bit, that one here, and you will need to add that to each space, or basically to each space, and that is going to add that space in here between your words. So that's basically it. Once you're ready, let me skip this and leave these spaces for later. So click into done here to confirm that, and that is going to center your text here in your Notion page. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.